Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in Baltic Gray. With active lane management system, drowsy driver detection, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 11063A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.